The Montana UV Effect Spray is a transparent effect paint that glows under ultraviolet lighting. The UV effect is a colorless, semi-gloss paint that is not visible in sunlight and can be applied on many substrates. Ideal for indoor use on clean and dry surfaces, such as artworks, signages, stencils, and walls. The UV effect works great for hidden effects. Turn can upside down and remove nozzle, allowing safety ring to fall out. Shake well for 2 to 3 minutes. Protect object and surrounds from spray mist during application. Apply evenly to white or light-colored substrates at a minimum distance of 20 to 25 centimeters from substrate. The more coats, the greater the glowing effect. May be slightly visible if painted on a matte surfaces. Apply Montana Gloss Varnish once cured for one all-over finish to hide layers and further protection of artwork. The UV Effect Spray is compatible with other color and effect coatings within the Montana cans range if all surfaces are cured. The can is equipped with a flat jet medium cap that can adjust for horizontal or vertical spray output for smooth application. Dust dry after 10 minutes, touch dry after 60 minutes, and cured after 24 hours, subject to temperature, humidity, and thickness of layers. UV Effect Spray can be combined with Montana Gold, Montana acrylic markers, and customary acrylic paints once fully cured. The Montana UV Effect, a transparent lacquer to create fluorescent effects that are only visible under incident UV light.